Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video how to create store Alibaba.com. Information is collected according with our privacy policy. To continue your agree to our stream. How to sell your product on Alibaba.com. By Jennifer Cloud Street, December going business, running business. Alibaba may start off a most B2B company in 1999, but today the international e-commerce company claim to fame reached a US IPO that's exceeded Google, Facebook, and Twitter more than 7.6 billion revealed news for Q4 or Alibaba can get channel with banking, international market and expert of Golba president getting start easy but make most your Alibaba engagement and see boast their bottom line. These a few things keep wait your register set up maintain your account. If you start selling product Alibaba quick valid needed get start. First register your account. First need sign up Alibaba account. Register your account. Photo shifted and your needed email address, your name and address, name, location and photo numbers, your company at time you are also have opportunity to choose this type of account like sales account, buyer account, hybrid, both to establish your company profile. After verifying your account email address, need set up company profile. Also now you company page keep remit there's information that won't previous until your instead become buyer will see that way as possible. Channel speaking you are needed increase following information type of business location product your plan sell company size target marketing we have your sales a target profile state confirmation partner and talking time provide access when to increase by confidence according test result certificate reviewer which type engine place your product other vertical safely handle our dispatch you are 3x more like it get upward way by business create card manufacturer the list of your product. Okay. 3. List your product. Our list to see your product. Alibaba you are needed to list in them and similar product company business information. You also want to detect description and imaging on product item. Will your product limited listing improvement the account of product you are listing also play viral employee in incomplete funding. The more product you have the most likely you are show up product search result via transport, the more expert hires chance screen partner for QE part communication is sales in international space in improvement that your response to this type of which 500 gold membership each these six. Take your advice of Alibaba. What is rating? Have it. We will look from employer designation among user. Please help keep our site protection useful. Leave planning. Unify is along the University of Designation Village. Grad program is enjoy speeding time calls develop into strong profit will organization that will promoting stored company cross sell also enjoy funding unique ways freelancer and startup business to reach and explain this full hi it it is very wonderful confidence discovery. Say my name and enter please browser next time. 24 responses to high sale product Alibaba. Thank you Lord Service Alibaba for India. I need discussion. I am the letters that I am need promote life product. Love you Alibaba. So how my product Alibaba before the product usually shipping customer